Good morning, children. Today we are going to continue the remaining lesson. And before we start the lesson, let's have the recapitulation of what we had. So we are talking about clever Tenali Ramakrishnan. That is sixth class. The first lesson from our English new textbook. So we said we have discussed that Tenali Ramakrishnan is a very clever person from Tenali. Okay, and in his court there was a man called Chitravarma, who is a good painter. One day the king unfortunately happens to go that side, and he sees the painting of Chitravarma, and then he appreciates him for his good painting, and even the painter also thanks the king, and the king wants him to make him as the chief advisor. Okay, so the king makes him the chief advisor, and here the problem rises. A painter should be a painter, not a chief advisor. Since he was given a chief advisor, he don't know how to solve the problems, he don't know how to take the decisions. So all the people, they happen to go to Tenali Ramakrishnan and they want to tell that he is unfit for the job. Tenali Ramakrishna says that I am having a very good plan for this. I will help you. Don't worry, he says. Okay. So one day, Tenali Ramakrishnan invites the king for his naming ceremony of his son, because he was blessed with a son. So he goes to the emperor Krishna Devaraya and says, "Sir, you have to attend my son's naming ceremony the next day." So Krishna Devaraya happens to visit the house of Tenali Ramakrishnan the next day. Okay, so after going there, the Tenali Ramakrishnan gives a bouquet of flowers and invites the emperor to his house. And the emperor also blesses the son, and he keeps the chain around the neck of Tenali Ramakrishnan as a token of love. And he also blesses his son with Dirgan Ashman Bhava. That means live for a long period or a long life. Okay, and after that, we are continuing now. After that, what happens? Okay, so after the ceremony, naming ceremony of the son, Tenali Ramakrishnan invites him for the dinner, lunch. He invites him for the lunch. So here, children, when Tenali Ramakrishnan invites the emperor and the courtiers, there are 3 courtiers, so they all sit there to have the lunch. So Tenali Ramakrishnan makes the emperor and the courtiers sit there and he serves the food. When Krishna Devaraya tasted the food, after tasting the food, he says, "Oh." Suddenly he says, "Oh." It's an exclamatory word, this is. Wherever you get an exclamatory word, you have to take an exclamation mark. Suddenly such words are used in our language. "Oh, water, water, give me some water, urgent." Maybe when he tasted the food, it was spicy and the tongue was burning. Okay, so he is asking for water. Okay, courteous, "Oh God, water, water." They are also telling, Okay, water. Water. So suddenly they said, that's why these words are also having an exclamation mark here, children. Even the courtiers means న్యాయస్థానంలో పనిచేసే వాళ్ళు, we call them as courtiers, who work in the court. Okay, so they also said water, water. Krishna Devaraya is asking, hey Ramakrishna, what is this horrible dishes? Horrible dishes. Horrible dishes here mean, children, okay, dreadful or shocking వంటకాలు, భయంకరమైన వంటకాలు. What are these horrible dishes? Courtier 1 is telling, we have 3 courtiers. The first courtier, okay, courtier 1 is telling that the food is spicy. Courtier 2 is telling that it is too salty. Courtier 3 is telling not cooked properly. So here, children, this is the condition of the food which was served by Tenali Ramakrishna. The first courtier said it is spicy, baga mashalaga undi. Second courtier said it is too salty, baga uppaga undi. The third courtier said that it is not cooked properly, adi saringa udakaledu. That's what they said. Krishna Devaraya is telling angrily, who cooked this? Okay, is this the way to cook food? So Krishna Devaraya got angry. Okay, he was very angry and said, who cooked this food? Who cooked this food? Okay, courtiers are telling, do you want all of us to die? The 3 courtiers are telling, you want to kill all of us with this kind of food, you want to kill us? Okay, they said. Ramakrishna is telling with the folded hands, please forgive me, sir, let me introduce you the cook. So he folded his hands and said in front of the emperor, sir, meeku vanta unnayani parchayam chestan, sir, I'll introduce you the cook who cooked this food. Krishna, okay, Sri Krishna Devaraya, bring him once or you will be punished. Go and bring him, otherwise Tenali Ramakrishna, I'll give you the punishment. Okay, he said at once. Ramakrishna presenting the carpenter. This is the best carpenter in Vijayanagara. Vijayanagara. Vijaya. Vijayanagara. Okay, he is the best cook. You know Vijayanagara, children? It is in AP. Okay, if you take the map of AP, first Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Vishakhapatnam, East Godavari. So first one is Srikakulam and second one is Vijayanagaram. So first district and second district. So Krishna Devaraya and Tenali Ramakrishnan, they both were there in Vijayanagara. In Telugu we call it as Vijayanagaram. Okay, in Vijayanagaram, okay, Krishna Devaraya ruled, and he said he called the cook. Actually, cook is not a cook, children. Here the cook is a carpenter. He is a carpenter. Carpenter means the person who makes the furniture with the wood is called a carpenter. So Tenali Ramakrishnan calls the carpenter and he introduces the carpenter that he is the best carpenter and he is the brilliant worker. Okay, that's what he says. But I gave him the task. Task means here, children, T-A-S-K. Task and it is a work. What is the work given here, children? The work is the work given by Tenali Ramakrishna to the carpenter, that is cooking. Carpenter is made as a cook. Carpenter is made as cook. వడ్రంగి పని ఆయన్ని వంటని ఆయన్ని చేశాడు తెనాలి రామకృష్ణ. బట్ హియర్ హీ ఈస్ టెలింగ్ he is a brilliant carpenter worker and I gave him the work to cook. Krishna Devaraya, are you crazy, Ramakrishna? He may be an excellent carpenter. How can be a cook? Excellent means very good. Excellent. Excellent means very good. Tenali Ramakrishna, are you crazy? Nikevana pitch pattinda? He's a good carpenter. How can he be a cook? That's what Krishna Devaraya says to Tenali Ramakrishnan. Now Ramakrishnan is talking. Okay? Now he says that here, children. He says that pardon me, sir. Pardon. Yeah. P-A-R-D-O-N. P-A-R-D-O-N. Pardon means forgive. Forgive me, Emperor Krishna Devaraya Garu. Please forgive me. Forgive me, Your Majesty. If a painter can be a chief advisor, why can a carpenter be a cook? Here he wants to teach a lesson to the emperor, that is Sri Krishna Devaraya. Why he wants to teach a lesson here, children? Because the emperor made the painter as a chief advisor. Painter is made as a chief advisor. When painter is made as a chief advisor by the emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya, which is not right to teach the lesson, Tenali Ramakrishnan made the carpenter as a cook here. So he wants to teach a lesson. That's why carpenter is made as a cook. Carpenter can make furniture in an excellent way, but he can't make food. So what happened? He spoiled the food. So here Tenali Ramakrishnan wants to teach a lesson to the Emperor Sri Krishna Devaraya. So he made this plan here. Krishna Devaraya, lost in thought, shaking his head slowly, Ramakrishna, you opened my eyes. You made me realize my mistake. Okay? Understand. Realize means understand. R-E-A-L-I-Z-E. Realize means here, children. Realize. Understand. The meaning of realize is understand. For some time, the emperor lost his mind and he said, you opened my eyes. You realized, you made me to realize my mistake. That's what the emperor said to Tenali Ramakrishnan. Chitravarma, I am afraid to say, no, Your Majesty. I am very thoughtful to you if I am sent back to my previous shop. Now, Krishna Devaraya, okay, the Chitravarma came to Krishna Devaraya and said, I am afraid, sir, when you gave me the job as a chief advisor, okay, I am unable to say no, sir. Please, sir, I am afraid. Please, I don't want to do the chief advisor. Please send me back to my job, that is painting. I'll go and do my painting. I can't do this chief advisor job. That's what Chitravarma says. So Krishna Devaraya calls the minister and says, please take this man and then send him to his place. He will go and do his painting. That's what Krishna Devaraya says to the minister. Ramakrishnan. Okay, Ramakrishna. Thank you very much, Your Majesty. Why here, children? Tenali Ramakrishna says thank you to the emperor because the emperor realized his mistake. And then he solved it. He rectified it. That's why Tenali Ramakrishnan said, thank you, Your Majesty. All the people assembled there and hailed. Hailed. Here we got another word here. That is H-A-I-L. Hail and here, children. This is noun here. H-A-I-L-E-D. Hailed is a verb. Here, hail means, children, hailstorm, you say. Hailstorm means Vadagaldu Vana. That's called as a hailstorm. It is a noun. Hailed means it is a verb here, it is an action word. Ed is given. Hailed means here children praised, they praised here. Hailed. All the people assembled and then they praised Tenali Ramakrishnan for his presence of mind. Tenali Ramakrishnan, they all thanked him because unfit person doing as a chief advisor. Okay, the people did not like that, so they told to Tenali Ramakrishnan, and Tenali Ramakrishnan solved it. That's why all the people praised him for doing that work. This is the end of the lesson, children. Before we close the lesson, let's have the recapitulation once. So here, children, when he was taken for the lunch, how is the lunch, children? It is horrible. It is very horrible. It is not good. And there are three courtiers here. Courtier 1, courtier 2, courtier 3. The first courtier said it is spicy. The second courtier said it is salty. The third courtier said it is not cooked properly. So, Tenali Krishna Deva Raya got very angry and then calls Ramakrishnan, what is this food? And he tells, sir, I'll introduce the cook, sir. He said, if you don't introduce the cook, I'll punish you, he said. Then he calls him. Okay, and he says he's a carpenter. Then the emperor says, how can a carpenter be a cook? Then Tenali Ramakrishnan said, when you made a painter as a chief advisor, why can't a carpenter be a cook? Then he realizes his mistake. Okay, and sends him back the painter to his shop, and all the people in his in the kingdom praises Tenali Ramakrishnan. That's the end of it, children. Thank you.